everyone. Hope all of you are keeping safe. I know this second wave of corona is really maddening, and it has reached down to our near and dear ones. We've lost people who were really close to us over all these years. But you know what? Amidst all that, all we have to do is stay at home, keep wearing your mask, keep sanitizing your hands, and so you have to stay strong, you have to stay positive, and most of all, please do get vaccinated as soon as possible, because that is really helping you to fight corona no matter whatever happens. Now, having said that, if you remember, I had mentioned in my previous video that I had placed an order of more Hoyas. So yes, I have received all of my orders over the past few months, and I did acquire, I don't remember the exact number, but I did acquire close to 30 to 40 Hoyas. So this is what this video is going to be. I'm going to show you my second Hoya haul. So now obviously I have a lot of Hoyas to show you guys again, and I don't want to bore you guys by making this a very extremely long video. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to split this video into 2-3 parts, and today is going to be the first part of my Hoya haul, and that's what we are going to do. Now to top that up, I also wanted to add that we are shifting again. I know, it's not even a year in this current house, and we took the decision to shift again, mainly because of the lighting conditions. That lighting conditions in this current house of mine is a huge issue. Once we start hitting the monsoons, it's something that we are not able to manage and not able to cope up with. Keeping all that in mind, we are shifting again, hopefully by next month. And this time I'm going to have 2 balconies instead of 1, wherein one balcony is going to get the complete eastern sunlight exposure, and the other balcony is going to get more of like a southwest exposure, which is going to be my Hoya balcony again. So yeah, having said that, let's dive into the video. Now it's becoming really difficult for me to remember all the Hoya names. I am going to get the name tags soon. I'm going to place that order as well. But for today, I have this. So let's start, and I'll show you 13 of my recent Hoya collection today. And then as we go on with the other videos, before we leave this house, I will take you through the other Hoyas as well. So yeah, let's start with the first Hoya. I'm going to move around a lot today with you guys, because as you can see, all my Hoyas, not all, majority of my Hoyas are lined up in this corner of my balcony, and I tried to move them to show it to you guys, but they are stuck amid spots, which is why it's difficult for me to keep moving them. So as in how I take you through the video, I'm going to show you the Hoyas. Okay, so the first Hoya which I got recently is this beautiful one. This is Hoya globulosa. I really love the foliage, and I really like the thick succulent leaves with the beautiful venation. If you can see, it has beautiful venations. So here is a growth point. Yeah, here is the growth point of the Hoya, and this is a new leaf which came up from the time I have got this fellow. Then we have Hoya melliflua. Yeah, Hoya melliflua. This hasn't thrown out any growth points as of now. Yeah, there is, but it's a very tiny one. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, it's here, right here. See across my cheek, if you can see. Okay, so this is Hoya melliflua. Then we have Hoya acuta marginata. Yeah, I'm sorry. No, sorry. This is Hoya acuta variegata, also known as verticillata variegata, if I'm not wrong. So again, beautiful variegation on the inside of the leaf. Hoya acuta variegata. Then which one? Okay, so we will start off with here. This is another variety of Hoya finlaysonii. I'm sorry the leaves are a bit dusty. I am really battling hard to take out hard water stains from my plants, guys. In this current apartment of mine, we get a supply of hard water, and it actually leaves, you know, salt deposits in our utensils as well as on the leaves of my Hoyas. So I try as much as possible to keep wiping the leaves of my plants with wet tissue and everything, but it's becoming a task and I am yet to achieve success in that matter. Anyway, so this is a Hoya finlaysonii, another form of Hoya finlaysonii. I mistook it for Hoya callistophila some time back, but then one of my friends ID'd it correctly for me. So this is Hoya finlaysonii. Okay, we'll keep her back. Next we will too much of white powder. Okay, this is vitellonoides, Hoya vitellonoides. Okay, again beautiful venations. I am struggling a bit with my Hoyas as of now, guys, because Bangalore is extremely dry, and I do mist my Hoyas almost every day, but some are still in shock from transit and they are taking some time to recover, but I am sure with the utmost care we will reach there. Okay, next we have, this is Erythrostema red. Erythrostema red, it came with a peduncle. I am sure it must have bloomed a lot many times when it was with my cellar, but till now she hasn't bloomed for me yet. I hope she does soon. Let's see. So Hoya Erythrostema red. Then we have a beautiful Hoya viola. Guys, you have to pardon the the white marks on the leaves. I did clean them before I started to shoot this video, but it's a task and it's going to take me some time. Anyway, so this is Hoya viola, and this is the new leaf which came from the time she is with me. Okay, we'll put her back carefully. This is the next one, Hoya diversifolia. I don't know which color bloom this is, but diversifolia for you. And here is the growth point. Here is the growth point. We'll keep her safely back. What's next? Okay, here. Just give me a moment, guys. Yeah. This is not doing that well. It's dry, so I'll have to take care of it. Anyway, this is Chuniana red. Hoya Chuniana red. Okay, and we have one more Hoya here. Okay, this is Hoya parasitica pink. Hoya parasitica pink. Okay, so we are done with this shelf. Just give me a moment. I'll quickly arrange them back, or else I'll forget which one I had placed where. Okay, just give me a moment, guys. Another one which I have here is not doing great again, but nevertheless I'll show you. This is Hoya Lacunosa punsak. Now I got her from my hometown, and that time, the courier services were not allowing us to ship plants, and I had to the flight services were not allowing us to carry plants with us, which is why I had to ship this parcel to myself, and it suffered really hard during the transit, and it's still recovering. I chopped her off in small branches, and I've put her back in the soil, and it's alive, but it's not in great shape. So I'm looking after it. We'll see eventually what happens. There's nothing much you can do. Okay, so yeah, I have one more here in this corner. This is Hoya Leucardeniana. Leucardeniana. This is a new leaf, and here you see growth points. Yeah. So here is the growth point, and this is a new leaf which came. So Hoya Leucardeniana. Okay. So we covered this area of Hoyas. Now we'll shift down. So I'll have to shift the camera down with me. Just give me a moment. So we've shifted down. Now this is a beautiful wild Hoya. It came all the way from Arunachal Pradesh. One of my friends gifted me this cutting, and it was a huge cutting. I chopped her up in 3-4 branches, and I just snuck them into the soil. Within a week, they had developed an extremely well root system. So yeah, this is beautiful. This is Hoya Oriogana, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, and it has beautiful long. So the leaves are like, longer than my palms, if you can make out. Beautiful succulent long leaves, exactly the type I like. Now here is one more wild variety of Hoya. I do not know the ID of this one yet. If any of you know, please do let me know. This is another wild variety. This has more like an oval shaped roundish leaves, and here's the new growth point of this Hoya. Yeah, here's the growth point of this Hoya, and it has another leaf. In case you guys can help me with IDing it, here's another leaf of this unknown variety. It's a no ID Hoya. It's a wild Hoya. If any of you know it, please let me know. Okay, then where do we go? Okay, we'll go up. This is my pride and joy. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you know exactly what I'm talking about. This is a Hoya carnosa freckles splash. I love this Hoya. It definitely tops my Hoya favorite list. It is beautiful. It has beautiful splash all over the leaves, and all of these, like all these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all of them are new growth, and it's beautiful. If you guys can get your hands on this Hoya, you should get this one. Okay, now I missed a couple of them here. Okay, so this is my Hoya Colina. Again, it's not doing that well, but slow and steady wins the race, as they say. So we'll have to wait and watch. This is Hoya Fungii. Okay, then the last Hoya for today's video is here. It's Revulibilis. Hoya Revulibilis. It is throwing out a new leaf, and here are the growth points of this Hoya. That was all for today's video. I will soon come up with another video featuring the rest of my Hoyas, and eventually, before we shift from this house, I'm also planning to do a living room tour or a house plant tour. I'll figure that out eventually. So yeah, guys, stay safe, stay well, stay positive, do get vaccinated, take care of yourself and your near ones, and let's fight Corona together. So bye, take care.